Phrasal verbs with get are used all the time. In today's video, you will learn 10 very important and very common phrasal verbs with get. These phrasal verbs are used often by those of us who speak English fluently. So, if you want to improve your English and sound more natural when you speak, you need to learn and use them in your conversations. Let's get started. To get up, to rise from bed in the morning. For example, I need to get up early tomorrow for a meeting. Get along, to have a good relationship with someone. For example, Sarah and her brother get along very well. They hardly ever argue. To get by, to manage or to survive with what is available. For example, with the little money he had, he managed to get by until he found a job. To get over, to recover from an illness or emotional setback. It took her a long time to get over the loss of her pet. To get through, to successfully complete or endure a difficult task or situation. Despite the challenges, she managed to get through the difficult project. To get ahead, to make progress in one's career or life. By working hard and being dedicated, she was able to get ahead in her career. To get off, to exit a vehicle. You need to get off at the next stop. To get in, to enter a vehicle. You need to get in the car right now. To get out, to exit or leave a place or a vehicle. We need to get out of the house and enjoy the sunshine. To get together, to meet or socialize with others. Let's get together for coffee next week. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.